सभी दर्शकों को गुड़ी पड़वा की शुभकामनाएं. So this time we'll talk about gold, silver and crude. So let's talk about crude first. Year to date, crude oil has rallied by around 38 to 37%. So first of all, we don't deny the possibility of technical profit booking. However, having said this, the power outage in Venezuela, it has helped to provide some support to the oil prices. Secondly, on the other side, US API and EIA inventories have increased this week, so prices should have fallen, but they have not. That's the reason why. The reason is the Venezuelan crude oil outage. So because of that, their exports have literally reduced to half. So I think because of that, the oil prices are remaining quite stable. WTI is above $60 mark, and it's quite stable around 62 and a half. I think on upside 65, 67 is a very good resistance, and on lower side 58, 57 is a support. If we talk about the crude oil, Brent for a very short period of time, it reached the level of $70, but it failed to cross the 70 significantly on the closing basis. So again, it's trading around $69. So looking at the Brent chart, I think 69, above 69, 72, $74 is a resistance, and 68 and 65 is a support. Most importantly, US recounts will be observed tonight. So for the 5 consecutive weeks, the recounts have fallen, and in fact, the recounts have reached to the lowest level of a year. That's why the prices are not falling. So that is another reason. Overall, the sentiments are positive. In the absence of any negative cues, the market is in consolidation mode. So I think going ahead, 4270, 4220 is very good support on the MCX, and 4345, 4390 is resistance. So I think for next week also the prices will remain in a tight range, but the momentum will be positive. So gold is trading in a tight range. 1288 is a support and 1295 is a resistance on the COMEX. So even after the dovish Fed statements and the falling SPDR gold ETFs, the prices are not moving in tandem with the ETFs trends. So if you look at the ETF trend, SPDR gold ETF has witnessed a selling pressure for all 4 days during this week. Now the focus will be on non-farm payroll numbers. Non-farm payroll numbers, Bloomberg forecast is of improvement in non-farm payroll numbers. So in that case, dollar may recover. In fact, dollar is trading quite strongly around 97. If the non-farm payroll numbers come above estimation, above the previous number, then the dollar will rise very sharply. Around 97 and a half, 98 is the next level on the upside. In that case, gold prices will fall very significantly. So 1288, 1287 is a very strong support on COMEX. I think below that 1275, 1270 is a support to look out for on once the prices fall below 1288 with the support of volumes. On the other side, on the flip side, 1310, 1311 is a very good resistance if prices go above 1296, 1297. If I talk about the MCX prices, so June contract is trading around 31,800, 31,950, 32,000 is the first resistance, very short-term resistance. And I think the way prices have fallen during this week, I think some short covering will be there in gold prices. So going ahead, 32,200 is a very good resistance for gold. We recommend to go long in gold because the way it has fallen, I think 31,600, 700 is a very good support. So that's the first support, and second is the 31,300 for gold. If we talk about silver, silver has followed the trend of base metals during this week. The base metals have rallied. In fact, US-China trade war, it's likely that it will end very soon. So today Donald Trump has said that they are going to end this year-long trade talks in a period of 4 weeks only. So that's a positive for the US and China trade relations. So of course that is negative for gold and silver prices. That's why the SPDR gold ETF, it's falling continuously. If you talk about silver, silver on COMEX 15.115 psychological support are there, and 15.25, 15.24, 25 is a resistance. On MCX, MCX May 37,900, 38,300 is the resistance, and on a lower side 37,100, 36,500 is a support. I think silver will also bounce back during this week, and we recommend to go long in silver with the stop loss of 37,200. Having said this, the non-farm payroll numbers which will come tonight will be very important. This week, US manufacturing PMI has come on a very higher side, so that supported the rally in dollar. if you look at the Bloomberg forecast of non-farm payroll numbers, so it's going to come on a higher side. In that case, dollar will rally. So only in that case, gold and silver both should fall. So otherwise, the trend is flat to positive for gold and silver for the coming week. We don't hold any positions in the commodities that we have discussed. We might have recommended to our clients. Thank you.